Are you ready for the Roomba? Okay. Are you vacuuming?
It's in my room.
Is that the Roomba?
Yeah.
And you push the button and it vacuums?
Yeah. Clean everything.
Yeah.
It's clean. Clean, yeah. This one, you like it? This vacuuming.
Wow, what's your favorite part about the Roomba?
You say I'm your bed.
Sure. Woo. Can you tell me about the Roomba?
What the clean everything.
Yeah.
That's clean on it. Oh,
What else does it do?
that's turn on.
Yeah. Does it suck everything up?
That's everything up into the ground right there.
Oh, wow.
Yes, all the day up.
That's awesome.
Second more the thing.
Is the Roomba your favorite?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why do you love it so much?
I love it in my room.
Yeah.
Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding.
Is it confused?
Yeah, confused.
It's confused.
Yeah, confused. It's vacuum. It's vacuum right now.
I like your Dyson. That vacuum's pretty good too.
It's a Dyson.
It's a Dyson, and that's a Roomba.
That one's Dyson. And I'm friends with the Roomba.
Yeah.
I'm friends with the Roomba.
Oh, your Dyson's friends with the Roomba?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice.
Hi, with Roomba. Hi, with Roomba. Go this way. The Roomba's phoning me.
Oh, that's because it wants to be friends. Can you tell me what sound the Roomba likes to make?